Hi, it's Jackie Chiotti. I'd like to share with you an autofill feature that's been available in Excel since version 2013, but a lot of people do not know exists. So what I'm going to do is a quick demo so that you can see it in action, and then we'll go through the steps of setting it up and making it work. So I'm just going to go ahead and launch autofill. And notice what happened with this type of autofill feature. Excel automatically recognized the pattern and it applied it to the names in column C. What the autofill flash does is recognize patterns in the columns to the left of your column and apply that patterns to the column that you're working in. So I'm going to hit undo. You notice that in the first column we have the last name, second column we have the first name, third column I've gone ahead and taken the first person's name, put their first name space last name. And when I use autofill to copy it all the way down, autofill recognizes the pattern and automatically fills it in. So I'm going to go ahead and use the autofill feature to pull this down. When I come to the bottom right hand corner, I have the autofill options box. I'm going to click in that box and change it from copy cells to flash fill. And there you go. Next, let's see if we can get it to work with email addresses. So I start with the first value. I'm going to autofill it down and then change the options to flash fill. Now you notice that it doesn't work at all with this sequence. What it does is it gives everyone the first initial of the letter J. But I wonder what happens if I go and take the first cell and change that from J. Gardner to James Gardner. I hit enter. Now all of my email addresses are completed properly. So it doesn't work perfectly, but those of you who've worked with Excel for a while know that in order to get this to work, if you weren't using the autofill flash feature, you'd have to either use some sort of text function or use concatenation or something like that. So this is a much quicker and easier way to get the end result.